Keep it going. You can hear it good, that's for sure.
That's probably good enough.
Yeah.